they have a phenomenal amount of respect for our Shoreham Airshow visitors, that is yourself, or yourselves. So do go and see them, do go and chuck it in a bucket, give them a quid or so. It is so vital to keep this aeroplane flying. This is not owned by the Imperial War Museum or any government force or anything of that nature. This is flying here today because of people like yourselves who chip into their bins. And it's so vital to keep this aircraft flying for years to come. So do that for us today, if you will. Make today a memorable one for Ellie and her band of phenomenally dedicated supporters. The rumble of those right cyclones are a most unenviable position. Andrew bring the aeroplane close for your inspection. What